Welcome back to Inspils, everyone. So the market has been pretty slow today, but however, Bitcoin jumped up to around 46,000. So I'm going to go over and update with you guys on Bitcoin, exactly which levels we need to hold above and break above to have more momentum come into Bitcoin, as a lot of Bitcoin stocks are dependent on Bitcoin to have more momentum. Again, BTBT had a nice spike today, going to extended hours, looking to see if they can continue. I'm going to go over Bitcoin with you guys so you guys can see exactly which levels we need to hold above to have more momentum coming into Bitcoin. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour with you guys here on Bitcoin so you guys can see exactly which levels we're trying to break above. Again, I want to go over this with you guys as Bitcoin did jump up to around 46,000. A lot of people expecting possibly for these Bitcoin stocks to possibly get some momentum coming into tomorrow. I want to make sure we do cover this so you guys can see here. We do have our very key level that we have been getting rejected at and we could not hold above recently. And we have been talking about this level for quite a while. As you guys can see, we had a previous bounce at this point. As you guys can see, we have bounced off of this point multiple times here at 48,000. As you guys can see, getting rejected to the upside here at 48,000, looking to see if we can bounce back above it. As you guys can see, the 20 moving average is above the 50, showing us that we may have a bounce off the 50 moving average here with a 20 and possibly bounce up above this 48,000 mark is what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Now, if that does not happen, if we do not hold above this 48,000 mark, in my opinion, for all the other Bitcoin stocks, we probably will lose some momentum and possibly continue to sell off as we have been recently. But however, if we do want to look for momentum in these Bitcoin stocks, in my opinion, we need to break over this 48,000 mark. But however, to have that strong momentum that we're looking for and to have those previous breakouts that we have been looking at previously from this breakout that we saw here at this level that we were trying to hold here at 32,000, we had a nice breakout. We saw a 100% breakout in BTBT on that breakout. As you guys can see, to get that momentum that we're looking for, in my opinion, again, is to break over this $56,000 mark. So as you guys can see, we are trying to hold above this $48,000 mark going into tomorrow to get some momentum. But to get that strong momentum that we're looking for is to break above this $56,000 mark. As you guys can see, we had our continuation sell off at this point. As you guys can see, we continue to struggle previously at this point. And the reason why I mentioned these levels, which I did go over the over market in the last video, I also went over these specific levels for this specific same reason, is because we go over the VPVR here. This is the volume profile showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period, showing us the very key points that we do need to hold above. If you guys remember, we have been talking about in the Inspil Zoom multiple times that this $48,000 mark is very key. And as you guys can see, we came up and got rejected exactly to the upside here at 48,000. So again, breaking over that $56,000 mark, in my opinion, is the momentum that we're looking for to get that strong momentum like we saw previously in these Bitcoin stocks. I know a lot of us are wondering if they're going to possibly break out, and in my opinion, they could continue if we do hold over 48,000, but to get that strong momentum is to break over that $56,000 mark that we did have a previous continuation sell off from. And again, Bitcoin definitely on the watch, as we have been continuously breaking out recently, and we may have a continuation here. So again, Bitcoin definitely on the watch going to tomorrow to hold over 48,000 to get some of that momentum that we're looking for to get that major breakout at 56,000, in my opinion. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'd be doing. So again, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert. Again, we mentioned PMCB yesterday on an 80% breakout. We mentioned SGOC yesterday as well on a 70% breakout. And the day before that, we mentioned VRPX on a 200% breakout throughout the day. We mentioned them in pre-market. We also did mention NAOV in pre-market the day before that, jumping up about 100% on the day. So again, if you guys want to see all these breakouts, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, much love to you guys. You guys have been supporting the channel every single day, and I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.